Hello you guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your problem of cannot verify server identity on your iPhone or iPhone server identity issue. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I advise you to do is to relog into your email by deleting your account. So we can easily do this by clicking on your settings application. Then you can scroll down to mail, then click on mail. Then go to your accounts. And then you can click on the account that you want to delete, and then you can click on sign out, and this will log you out of your account. But if you want to add in your account, then you can clearly see here an option of add account, and just tap on your add account button to add your account back. So this is one method of how you can fix the cannot verify your account issue on your phone if you do have this problem. And the second thing you want to do is go back to your general again. Then you want to go to screen time. Then you want to click on content and privacy restrictions, and this should be turned off. If this is turned on, then I suggest you to turn it off, and if you turn it off, then this will work better and it will solve your issues as well. The last step I want you to do is go back to general again, and then you can go to scroll all the way down to your transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset and reset all your settings. I assure you that following these 3 steps will help you fix this problem. If you like this video and it helped you out, then please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also leave your suggestions on the comment box below. It's me, Elise, signing out, and I'll see you on the next one.